What's your name, please? Sorry? You look so excited. What's you're holding in your hand? Oh, really? What testimony do you have for this product? A lot? Wow. You serious? Wow. Still 24/7. How long? What are you going to tell people about this product? Thank you. So you remember? Are you a member? Are you a distributor or you're just a consumer?
I'm a distributor, consumer.